Hey, Jazz, come here.
Okay.
Jasmine! I tell you to be careful. You know what? You're lucky you didn't hurt yourself. Be careful, okay?
Oh, cut. Hey, Jazz, come here.
Okay. What's that, a candle?
Did you see
Christopher, what are you doing?
Did you see
No,
what
no,
they
you're not
did?
playing with fire. Give me that.
Hey, Christopher, come here.
Okay, and you come and see if your dad is outside?
One sec.
Like my new candle?
What? What is that? Oh. Hey, Christopher, come here.
One sec.
Okay. What's that, candle?
Yeah.
Hey, Jazz, come here.
Okay.
You know what this is?
Candle?
No. Let's try this again. Hey, Jasmine, come here.
Okay.
Look what I got.
Whoa!
Hey, Jazz, come here.
What?
Look what I've got.
What?
Hey, Jazz, come here.
Okay.
Hey, look what I've got.
What? Are you playing with fire? Give me that. What are you doing?
Hey, Christopher, come here. Christopher, come here.
Can you take care of Cal?
Christopher! Christopher, come here.
Okay, one sec.
Not one sec, come here.
I'll be there in just a minute.
Come on, Christopher. 1 second. Christopher! Oh, finally. Hey, Christopher, like my new candle? Do you want to read that? That looks nasty.
Oh.
Ooh. Was this what happened when you bumped into the
Yeah.
door?
Bloody. Ow, ow.
Does that hurt?
Yeah.
How much? On a
Wait.
scale of 1 to 10.
6.
7, 8.
Okay, let's put some nails
Wait,
on
let's
there.
put it up to the camera.
No, shh.
It is in the camera.
Close up. Close up.
You
It is in a close-up.
You have to trust your cameraman. You don't direct from that spot, sweetie. Okay. Long day's work, huh? Suffering for your art. Much better. Ooh, this happened at a different time. Do you think you're a bit accident prone?
Yes.
Okay.